All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and we have a new watch here on the table. There's going to be a quick unboxing. I'm not going to do a full review of this yet because I just got it. I don't know much about it, but I know you guys like unboxings, and so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what we have in the package here. Now, as you guys know, the Seiko Speed Timers, I think they're called, is that the SSC reference? I'm not quite sure, but anyways, the Solar Speed Timer models have been out for a few years. Awesome watches. I've restrained myself from purchasing one for the last couple of years, but this model came out. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this one, but I did buy the JDM model, the Japanese domestic model of this. I ordered from Shopping in Japan, and so I just received it. I did get express shipping and received this within like 4 days to California from Japan. So awesome shipping, and it's not the first time I've had great luck with that from Shopping in Japan. Any watch I've bought from them over the years, which has probably been 3 or 4 over the last 5 to 10 years, it's been excellent, no problems at all. So let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing. Today we are using, this is an older knife in my collection, the SOG Pentagon. Not sure if you guys are familiar with this one, but I think they made a remodel of this, but this is an original model, a Seiko City model. So awesome blade there. Just a collectible in my man collection. Guys like stuff like that. I think a lot of us watch guys are into collecting other things besides just watches. It's just kind of one of those things. And if you guys are into collecting something other than just watches, please let me know down there in the in the comments. So this, being the Japanese version, is going to be a SBDL117 model. Let's see if there's any other markings on the box, and there is not. But let's go ahead and crack this one open and see what we got. So let's see if you guys have already guessed on which speed timer version I got. This is a newer one. I did go looking for a great price on it, and so that's part of the reason I purchased this one. Now, one of the things I'll tell you guys is, you know, when you buy a watch from Japan like this is usually considered kind of more like, I don't want to say gray market, but you're probably not going to get your full warranty or anything like that. Not that I'm worried about it, because it's a Seiko and they are generally freaking awesome watches. So let's go ahead and move this over here a little bit. Go ahead and get the top open here and see what we have. So yeah, I went ahead and we got a cleaning cloth here, a very nice inside of there. I broke down and I went with the newest, I guess you'd call this the Pouge Reissue. At least that's what I've seen it listed as. And you can see why. It's got that colorway. I did own an original Pouge. If you go back through my videos, you will see that video. I do believe that was considered like the Aussie Pouge at the time. So very cool. This one looks like it's running. Like I said, this is running a solar movement in here. Not sure. When I do the full review, I will let you guys know what the movement, the reference number, and everything like that is. Not even sure on the crystal or anything like that. Of course, what sold me on this was it's one of the speed timers, which are really, really cool watches. Let's go ahead and pull the crown out here and get the hands in a better position there for you guys to see this thing a little bit. But obviously, knowing that this the speed timers were awesome watches, everyone I've seen that has one of these really likes it. But, you know, it's a modern interpretation. And I know some people have complained Seiko has the ability to do a full mechanical version. I know they do. They have that ability. But I would also hear those same people complain when that watch was like $1,700 with a sapphire crystal and say, oh, Seiko's getting too big for their boots or something. So, you know, you can't do everything perfect for everyone. But I think this is a great representation of the watch. So I'm going to go ahead and peel the plastic off here. Why don't we just do this together here? How about that? And I'm sure once you peel the plastic off, you can't send it back, which is fine. Not something I generally ever do, to be honest with you. I'm generally pretty happy with what I get. But look, oh man, look at that thing. Look at that dial. Definitely has that same look and feel. And you know, it's just a unique colorway. I think it's amazing that Seiko came up with this. I'm sure it was based on visibility. But really that orange-yellow dial, sunburst effect on that with the red and blue tachymeter bezel insert, it's brilliant. It really, really worked. It's something that us watch lovers have fallen in love with over the years, and very understandable. So, all right, guys, that's a quick unboxing, 5 minutes almost unboxing, but follow up with a full review in the next couple of weeks, guys. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. If you've not subscribed to my channel, the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. All right, thanks, guys.